Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. This is Pratik Srivastava, founder of Online Study for You, and this video is going to be very important. You must have seen the thumbnail, do not join TCS. Now, definitely it will come to your mind why sir is telling like this. Sir will be always promoting TCS, sir will be always making videos on TCS. Then why sir is telling now don't join TCS? So the reason I have put this in thumbnail, because many of you are really very much confused. So I wanted to show you something. So if you are going to join TCS, then also you can watch. If you're preparing for TCS, then also you need to watch. This video will definitely motivate you to join TCS. I have taken few of the LinkedIn profiles here. These profiles are there on LinkedIn. So it's not like, I have just put it from my side. So few of the, you can see few of them here. They started their career with TCS. And in 2019, back to 2019, there was no digital and prime profile. There was only TCS Ninja profile. So from TCS Ninja, somebody is working in Google, which is a dream of many. If you'll ask my dream is also to work in Google. But when I came into teaching, when I came into all those things, so definitely I am not able to make it out. Okay. So everyone, at least if you're in IT, your dream will be to join Google. But if you'll see, the starting was TCS, and that too system engineer for Ninja profile, only. Okay, fine. Now, here you see friends, software development engineer in test. So Tata Consultancy Services full time back in 2012 to 2015. Here, full time 3 years, 3 months, Google. So from TCS, somebody has reached to Google. I'm not telling this you can do only from the TCS. Right now, I'm talking about TCS. So I'm explaining you. If you like the video, friends, please do like and also subscribe to the channel. Say to your friends, they should also understand why I always say about TCS, why I always talk about TCS. Because from TCS now, you can reach anywhere. Okay, because here no lot of learnings. See, many people will tell, sir, I am waiting for TCS and I have rejected multiple offers. No problem. If you have done that, you have taken a best decision of your life. If you have done that, you have taken a best decision of your life, and TCS will onboard everyone. So don't worry about it. You might have seen, right? See, if you go to our YouTube channel, okay, and just go to community page. So the onboarding is happening, okay, but definitely it is, in less amount, you can say. So somebody got placed in Tech Mahindra. Now you can say, congratulations, Abhikar, selected in TCS Prime, salary 9 LPA, joining 16th of January 2025. I can tell you clearly, this guy is not going to sit idle after joining TCS. Even after 5 to 10 years, you see his profile, he will be working in a best company. He will be working in a dream company, which is your dream company also, right? So friends, see, results are coming, people are joining. So everybody is taking their decision. You have taken the best decision. And not only this, I will show you, see, I have taken a few of the screenshots. And then again, let us go back to the next seat. Here also you can see. So started career with Tata Consultancy Services in 2013. Okay. And now in Google from last 4 years, 7 months. So friends, if you have taken a decision to join TCS, I'm telling you, it's the best decision. You have to get into the company. And digital and prime role. See, from Ninja, all these people, that time there was no digital and prime. Now only we talk about digital and prime from last 1 year. Before that, digital and prime was not there. It was only Ninja. From Ninja, people have achieved their dream company, and you can also do. You just have to have some patience here. So I know, see, if if I will be waiting for onboarding or joining from last 6 months, I will be also frustrated. See, you can tell, sir, you don't know our mental state. I know. See, I am telling you, I am in teaching from last 10 to 12 years. I know what you think. I know how you are suffering. You know in how much stress you are in. Many of your relative will be asking, beta, you got job in TCS? When is your joining? You don't have any answer. You don't have any answer. Your parents will also start looking at you. I also don't know which company hired him or which company hired her, but he or she is not getting joining, not getting onboarded, right? So this, you have to go through all these pages. There is no other solution. Okay, there is no other solution. With the YouTube channel, through the LinkedIn profile, we are doing whatever is possible. I will be keep putting LinkedIn post for you. You also have to support there. Okay, so let me work on your behalf, but you have to have some patience. You have to listen few things. You have to go through all these stages. This is what life is here. This is what life is. Many people joined immediately after 1 month or 2 months. See, they are the luckiest people. Okay, they are the luckiest people. Though the one who got joining 5 days ago, they are the luckiest people. The one who got joining 2 days ago, they're the luckiest people. It's okay. Everybody is all our 5 fingers are same. No, it's not same, right? All our 5 fingers are not same. See, if there are 100 students are there, 95 students will always support me. These 5 students will always, they will put some kind of comment or they will do such kind of things and they will demotivate us. But I will, what I do, I just block them from our YouTube channel. I just remove them from our YouTube channel. I just remove their comments, because all the negativity we have to remove from our life. This 95% is enough to give me a lot of energy to come and talk for you, to come and stand for you, and that I will be keep doing. So now, if you have any confusion with respect to TCS, please keep this image with you, and daily you see once this images, okay, and tell yourself that from TCS we can reach wherever you want. And if you are going to prepare, it's the best time. I am telling you. So TCS NQT crash course, all the results, whatever you see, right? All the results, whatever you see, we have given more than 4,000 results. See which data we had, okay, in TCS alone, and our crash course helped a lot. The reason was the content. Nothing speaks, only your content will speak. Okay, see, even if you go to our channel, okay, and if you go to live section and you see how many videos we had done before your examination, okay, so we always do the analysis, we always do the previous year problem. See, why results will not come? You tell me one thing. If you study, result will not come. It will come. If we will put effort in the content, how the results will not come? The result has to come, because we put effort in the content and we make you study, right? So if you'll see all the verbal ability questions and then live things we were doing, okay, and also 1 hour. So if you go down, you must have seen, right? So question asked on April, question asked on 29th of April, right? Topic wise questions, okay, so reasoning revision we had done, all those things we had done, okay. And see, if that much free content you'll be getting, then you think about this content, okay, where see the 2024 all asked questions we have put, recorded videos are there, practice sets are there, mock test series are there, live class recording, so live classes are happening, okay. And see, the main thing is mock test series. How will you practice? Okay, see, TCS examination now, the main thing is you have to solve the questions in the given time. That is the main important. Anybody can solve the TCS question. Not only me. See, it's not like I'm a teacher, I can solve. No. TCS question, 10th level questions will be there, okay? Below that. You just need to use your mind, common sense little bit, and have to solve the questions very fast. And that's where, this all this mock test series is going to help you. So TCS NQT specific mock test series, basic test series for the beginners, all those things we have done. Practice sets, sir, how to practice. So this was a problem which I was hearing from many of the students. Sir, how to practice? Now let's see. Already we put you so many the PDF files. Okay, so practice question from important topics, aptitude, practice question from important topics, reasoning, TCS previous year question, aptitude and reasoning, practice questions and video verbal ability, TCS aptitude and reasoning, practice question, fully solved TCS previous year aptitude. Content is, I'm telling you, content is the best content. Okay, so if you are planning for TCS and QT, you don't have to think anything blindly. Just go for this TCS and QT crash course, and I'm telling you, you are going to take a best decision of preparing for TCS and getting into TCS. Don't lose this opportunity if you have a dream of joining one of your dream company, let's say Google, Microsoft, Amazon, because from TCS to any of the company, I have taken only the example of Google, you will be easily able to concur. And friends, please, if you are waiting for the TCS onboarding, please wait. Okay, I will say that there is, see, nothing else can be done, because these are the companies and then they will onboard in phases as per the requirement. They are doing it. If you are getting any other opportunity better than TCS, just go for it. That's what I will say. But you have taken a best decision of life, and you are going to take a best decision of your life. Don't listen anyone, just show them this screenshots. And on Google also you can search TCS to Microsoft, TCS to Google. You will be only getting so much of content. Thank you. Take care. All the very, very best. We'll meet soon in the next video. Don't forget to like the video.